In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact in Zoho CRM. If you've been working in Zoho CRM for a while, you'll know that keeping your contact list clean and up to date is really important. Old leads, duplicate entries, or test records can clutter your database and make it harder to find the information you actually need. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to safely delete a contact from your Zoho CRM account. First, sign into your Zoho CRM dashboard, and once you're in, look for the Contacts module. This is usually visible in the top navigation bar along with other modules like Leads, Accounts, and Deals. Go ahead and click on Contacts. This is where all of your individual contact records are stored. Next, you'll see a list of contacts. Take a moment to identify the specific contact you want to remove. It's a good idea to double-check things like the email address or company name to make sure you're working with the right record, especially if you have multiple contacts with similar names. Once you've found the correct one, click directly on the contact's name. That will open up the detailed view for that contact. Now that you're on the Contact Details page, look toward the upper area of the screen for the More Actions icon. In Zoho CRM, this is typically represented by 3 vertical dots. This icon is where Zoho groups extra options that don't appear as main buttons. Click on those 3 dots to open the drop-down menu. From this drop-down list, look for the option labeled Delete. This is the command that will remove the contact from your active records. Click on Delete, and Zoho will not immediately erase the data. Instead, it will show you a confirmation message. A confirmation dialog box will now appear on your screen. Zoho does this to prevent you from accidentally deleting something important. You might see different wording depending on your version or settings, such as delete, go ahead, or yes, move to recycle bin. Take a moment here to be absolutely sure you've selected the correct contact. Once you're ready, click the confirmation button shown in the dialog. After you confirm, the contact will be deleted from your main contacts list, and in many setups, it will first move to the recycle bin, where it can sometimes be restored if needed. That's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted a contact in Zoho CRM.